Yan.
Kanta ito'y kanta ng Europe Carey. It is only Undertaker version para maiba naman. Request kasi ito ng New Jersey nating mga punks. Hindi na ako pwede mag-punks dito, gawa na wala kang gamit, kaya ito lang muna ang estilo ko. Kasama laging cameraman si Sir John Boyles, yung aking cameraman na galing sa
Bisaya.
Galing sa Netherlands. Sa lahat ng taga New Jersey, ito na yung request niyo mga sir. Hindi lang pinapangalanan, siguro nahiya. Pero sana magustuhan nyo. Hope you like it the song. Thank you very much.
Oh, Kari Saudi version.
Saudi version na.
Naka-gloves kasi galing pa sa boxing yan.
Laban ni Manny Pacquiao ngayon eh. Well, I'll get down and see the reason for you to cry. Remember days before and every time and every season God knows I'm right. So bless us, oh more than see in my eyes. The best might be your last goodbye. Things did change, my friend. Maybe we'll meet again somewhere again. I realize with no intention of being kind. How else I could explain? It's like a good sound, a lot of patience, nothing surprise. How could I feel no pain? Can see it in my eyes. The best might be your last goodbye. Things did change, my friend. Maybe we'll make again. Sa lahat ng taga New Jersey, ito rin yung request nyo. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng mag-pack, gawa na nasa Saudi tayo. Kaya ito rin yung attire natin ngayon. Naka-Saudi attire.
Oh, salamat sa Caterpillar.
Caterpillar, yung ano mo, bago mong piling
Panasonic na camera, sponsor.
They'll see in my eyes, but this might be your last goodbye. Things did change, maybe we'll meet again. somewhere again. When lights go down. This is my new revival song. Hope you like my song. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.